If you learn only these 10 sentence patterns, you can speak English in most daily situations. Native speakers don't think about grammar rules. They reuse sentence patterns. Today, I'll show you the top 10 most frequently used English sentence patterns. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how to practice them in just 10 minutes a day.
LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Most learners say, I know many English words. I know grammar rules, but I can't speak fluently. The reason is simple. You are collecting words, not building sentences. Today's lesson will change that.
Why sentence patterns matter.
Let me tell you a secret. English is not thousands of sentences. It is a small number of patterns, used again and again. If you master patterns, speaking becomes automatic. Confidence increases, fear disappears. Now let's begin.
Top 10 most frequently used sentence patterns.
Pattern 1. I plus verb. Used for habits, routines, daily life. I work here. I wake up early. I like coffee. If you know this pattern, you can speak about your life. Pattern 2. I am plus adjective. Used to express feelings and states. I am happy. I am tired. I am ready. Feelings are spoken every day. Pattern 3. I am plus verb ing. Used for actions happening now. I am studying. I am waiting. I am learning English. This is one of the most used patterns in conversation. Pattern 4. I want to plus verb. Used to express desires and plans. I want to learn English. I want to improve my speaking. I want to travel. English starts with want. Pattern 5. I need to plus verb. Used for necessity and responsibility. I need to practice. I need to call him. I need to rest. Simple but powerful. Pattern 6. Can you plus verb. Used for requests and questions. Can you help me? Can you explain this? Can you speak slowly? Polite, natural, and daily English. Pattern 7. Do you plus verb. Used for general questions. Do you understand? Do you work here? Do you like English? Questions keep conversations alive. Pattern 8. I have plus noun. Used to talk about possession and experience. I have time. I have a question. I have experience. One of the most flexible patterns. Pattern 9. There is, there are. Used to describe places and situations. There is a problem. There are many students. There is no time. Very common in explanations. Pattern 10. Let's plus verb. Used for suggestions and invitations. Let's start. Let's practice English. Let's try again. Friendly and confident English.
The big realization.
Now listen carefully. If you master only these 10 patterns, you can speak more than 70% of daily English conversations. You don't need advanced grammar. You don't need difficult words. You need repetition.
How to practice.
Here's the LELTA 10-minute daily practice method. Choose one pattern, make 5 sentences. Speak them out loud, repeat for 3 days. Move to the next pattern. That's it. Consistency beats complexity.
Final motivation.
Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking without fear. And fear disappears when patterns become habits. If this lesson helped you, like this video. Share it with an English learner. Subscribe to LELTA. Because here at LELTA, we don't teach English to impress. We teach English to express. Comment your example sentences below. See you in the next lesson.